Hidden in the heart of southern Illinois lies a secret carved in stone and time. This is Ferne Clyffe, where waterfalls whisper and the forest listens. Here, cliffs rise like ancient walls, draped in green, wrapped in silence. The water moves gently, falling with grace. Over moss-covered rock and shadowed ledge, every drop tells a quiet story of seasons passing, of earth breathing. Step closer, feel the cool mist, hear the rhythm of nature, steady, unhurried, as if the world has slowed down just for you. Ferne Clyffe isn't loud, but it speaks deeply. Beneath this canopy of trees, time doesn't rush, it drifts, like sunlight dancing on a pool, or leaves swirling at your feet. This is where peace lives, in stillness, in water and wonder. So pause, breathe in the quiet, and remember, sometimes the most powerful places are the ones that speak the softest.